Hello everyone, today's question is first bad version. You are a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the version after a bad version are also bad. Suppose you have n version 1, 2, 3 to up to n and you want to find out the first bad one, so which cause all the following ones to be bad. You are given an API bool is bad version, so which return whether version is bad. Implemented function to find the first bad version, you should minimize the number of call to the API. So now we will solve this problem in pen and paper and then we will write the code for this problem. So here is a 5 version of your product, and unfortunately the latest version of your product failed the quality check. Means there is a bug in this version, latest version, and if this version has a bug, then you check the previous one. So now we check from starting to from left to right. So we check each linearly, version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4 and version 5. So here our time complexity is order of n, means linear search. Here we perform a linear search. So this is so costly, so we have to call the API all the time. So according to these questions we have to minimize the call. So how can we solve? We simply use binary search. Is our time complexity will be order of log n. So how we perform this? This is simple binary search, nothing you have to do. So you have to add left and right. Right is the last version and left is the first version. So now we need to check the mid, because we are use a binary search here, so we need an extra check for mid. So left plus right and by 2, that's our mid. So we always check the mid version. This program we call is bad function to check our version is bad or not. We call is bad function and pass the mid value to check the version. So yeah, we call the testing, means is bad function. So is it a bad version? So it's a no, it's not bad. So we check extra if mid is not a bad version. We need to look forward one to check if our next mid plus 1 is bad version or not. If mid plus 1 is bad version, means our first bad version is mid plus 1. Here mid plus 1 is not bad version. If mid plus 1 is bad, then no need to check other version and we simply return our answer. Before mid or mid version there is no bad version, so we reduce our check before mid version, means we set our left to mid plus 1. If the version is not bad, then we set our left to mid plus 1. Now our left is version 3 and our mid is version 4. So now we check for version 4. So mid is version 4. So now we check mid version 4 to call is bad function. Check, it's bad, yes, is report is bad version. So so right side of this version 4 all are bug version. There is a bug in this version. So now we move our right pointer to mid minus 1. Here left is also point to version 3 and right is also point to version 3 and mid is also point to version 3. Now we check the mid. Mid is our bad version. It's a mid is not bad version. So whenever we check, whenever the result is mid is not bad, then we always a extra check mid is. Whenever the mid is not a bad version, we need to look forward to check if our mid plus 1 is bad or not. So here the answer is version 4. mid plus 1 is bug version. So here our answer is v4. So we able to check it with order of login time. So now we will write this code. First take a pointer left equals to 0 and right equals to n. While left lesser equals to right, we set a mid pointer, that is left plus right by 2, and we always call isBed function and pass the mid value. If the mid is not bad, if mid is bad, then we set our right pointer mid minus 1. If mid is not bad, we check one extra, that is mid plus 1. Means if mid is not bad version and mid plus 1 is bad, means our first bad version is mid plus 1. So we return our answer. When this line execute, means line number 19 is execute, then we return our answer. If mid is not bad version and mid plus 1 is also not bad version, then we set our left pointer mid plus 1. Now we run this code. Yeah, running successfully and submit it. Yeah, got accepted. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.